Alright, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Play Books account right from beginning to the end. So as you know, Google Play Books does not allow Nigerians to create accounts. So we are going to be they have a particular number of countries they allow to create their accounts. So this particular video is going to show you how to create the Spain account for Google Play Books. We'll be creating the account, but I will not be using real information to create the account. So let me tell you this now. For you to create an account, you will need to get your SSN available. You need to get your SSN available, and you know the SSN will have the number, it will have the address, the date of birth, and the name. So you get that ready, then you will get your tax information ready. So, but like I said, in this video you are going to be seeing the list of the information you are going to need to create the account, but in this particular one I will not be using any real information to create the account. So the first thing you want to do, we are going to be turning on our VPN. So my VPN is already on and it is in Spain. You can see my VPN is in Spain. So this is it here. My VPN is in Spain. So after you turn your VPN on, come to the website play.google.com/books/publish. So let me show you. Okay, you can see it here, play.google.com/books/publish. So once you open it, you are going to see this. So you are going to see sign in or get started. So we are going to click on get started. Click on get started, and once you click on get started, this is what we are going to have. So you can see it here. Now if you check this side, we have publisher, we have self-published author, and we have distributor or service provider. We are a self-published author, so we are going to click on this second one. Then publisher name is going to be the name that will come with your SSN. But like I said earlier on, we are going to be forming every information. We are not going to use any real information to create this particular account. So let me use my name to create the account. The country is Spain. So you can see the list of countries. You cannot find Nigeria here. Nigeria is not included in the countries that can create the Google account. So we are going to be using Spain. So this is Spain here. Then a website, let's just say play.google.com. Now the phone number we are going to be using is Spain. So I will also show you how to get your Spain phone number. Let's check it first. So let's pick the country. Once you pick the country, we are going to be selecting the phone number. We have too many countries here. Now let me pause the video and get the country, then we'll come back. Alright, so we have our Spain here. Then let's go and get the number. So this website, random address, just click on this random address. Click on this random address. So bestrandoms.com. Alright, so once you come to this website, you can see the country. We are changing the country to Spain. So in this website you can get any country's phone number you want, any country's address, and I think that is the same address we are going to be using from start to the end. So let me look for Spain. We have Spain here. Then generate. So the quantity is 2, so we are going to be choosing just one. If you like, you can increase or decrease it. Now let's go for the first one. We have the phone number and everything here. So later on we are going to be picking the address. We are going to be making use of this address. Now let's go back. Let me clear all these ones. Let me clear this. All right, so we're putting the phone number here. put in the phone number, but okay, the format. Let's check for another phone number. So it is advisable to use yes, you see this particular number starts with 8. So whenever you want to use the phone number, make sure sorry, it starts with 6. Whenever you want to use the phone number, make sure it starts with 6. Alright, so let's clear this and put the phone number again. Let's okay. I want to check something. Alright, so see, put the phone number and just make sure the phone number starts from 6. Then put it and click on next. Once you click on next, let's check from the top. Provide periodic feedback, updates and opportunities. Don't select anything from here. Just select I'm not a robot. Select I'm not a robot and let's wait for it to load. Alright, so then click on I agree and then we'll wait for it to load. Just have everything intact. Alright, so now that you are here, your account has been successfully created. Now take note, let's take note of something. Create a payment profile. So these are the things you are now going to complete. We'll create a payment profile, then you will link your bank account, then you enter your tax information. So let's do everything one after the other. But let me end the video here. Then in the next video, I'm going to be creating a payment profile. In the next video, we'll create a payment profile, we will link our bank and we'll enter tax information in the account. But this is the first step and the account has successfully been created. Alright, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to be creating a payment profile, link our bank account, enter your tax information, and we are done with the account. So this is very simple and straightforward, but don't forget we are not using real information to create this account. So profile name. Now there's one thing I want to tell you about this profile name. So remember, we are creating a payment profile, so I will advise that when you are creating a payment profile, add something. Let's add Google Books to the name we are going to be putting. So let me say this is the name I'm using. Okay, just let me leave it as Google Books, so that whatever payment we are dealing with will be related to it. Like, it is going to know that whatever payment we are receiving is from Google Books. So we are going to leave the name like this. Then the business location, let's change it to Spain. Changing the, you see, these are the number of countries they allow, and unfortunately Nigeria is not there because Nigeria is a very useless country. Alright, so I hope we can find our Spain here. Okay, we have Spain. Setting up billing, account type. Let's check the individual, so not organization. Our address line, so remember we are dealing with Spain. Let's come here and pick our address. This address line is the street, so we are going to be using the street as the address line. Copy it, come back and paste. Then the postal code, we're also coming to pick our postal code here. This is the postal code here. Copy it and come back and add it. The city, let's check the city. The city is Savera de Pisuaga. Alright, so let's put the city. The province should be the states, and let's check that is Palencia. The state is Valencia. Let's check if you are going to see Valencia. Okay, thank God you see it. Then the phone number is optional, but we are going to add it so they will know that we are very serious. Copy the phone number, add the phone number. Now once you've done that, let's click on submit. So just carefully follow everything one after the other. Let's wait for the next thing. Okay, we have successfully created our payment profile. Don't forget, when you are creating your payment profile, add Google Books to it. Now let's link our bank account. Oh, sorry, I went to open my exchange. Okay, now let's link our bank account. There is no real bank account, but since this is not a real account, I'm just creating randomly. Add the payment method. So this is very simple. Add the payment method, name of the bank. Okay, bank must be located in Spain and in euro currency. Wow. So let's see a way to add a bank. Okay. Let me add a bank. I think I have a website and let's check these random IBAN numbers. So once you click on random IBAN number, let's check this test IBAN numbers. And I don't think this is the website I always use. There's a particular website I use to get random IBAN numbers. Let's check this first one. Okay, yes, randomiban.com. This is the website, but it does not open easily. That is the problem. This website does not open easily. You have to try again and again and again. In this website, we can easily get IBAN for any country. But in this situation, I think, let me get it from my laptop, the IBAN number. But just know that if you are creating the account, you will have your bank on ground. So we are using euro. I think, yes, we are going to be using euro currency. So let me pause the video and quickly get the IBAN number and the BIC code from Spain on my laptop. Then we add it and we'll proceed. Alright, so I've added the IBAN, the Spain IBAN and the Spain BIC and the bank name. Alright, so the next thing you will click save. Let's save it. Let's save. Alright, so I think the IBAN is not accepted, but let's wait. Okay, bank account information is invalid. Please confirm with your bank. Alright, let me change the information again. Alright, so it has been accepted. Verify your bank account. Google should deposit less than 0.25 euro. Alright, now let me tell you, I click on got it and we are done. Let me tell you what I did. The bank name, I put my name as the bank name, so verification pending for the bank. Now after I put my name, I changed the IBAN number to another IBAN number. So there's a website. If you have been creating KDP accounts, it's the same website we use to get IBAN numbers and BIC code. I only selected the country as Spain. Now I think we are done with this payment method. We are done with the payment method. Alright, so I think the verification is pending. Okay, enter the Google deposit amount that appears in your bank account ending. Okay, let me check if there's any mail here. Okay, Alright, okay. I don't think there is any. Okay. You've added a bank. You need to verify the bank before you can use it. To verify the bank, review the bank record and search for deposit from Google. Alright, so this is because I'm not adding a real bank. Payments.google.com and go to the subscription and service tab. So this is because I'm not adding a real bank. If you are creating it, make sure you have your real bank. So as it is, I can proceed with every other thing I want to do. So let's check. So I think they've not verified the bank because it is not a real bank. So if you are using a real bank, you will see the amount that is deposited into the bank. So you see the amount that is deposited, but since I'm not using a real bank, I cannot see any amount deposited into the bank. But like I said, I'm only making this video to guide on how to successfully create. I'm not adding another one. How to successfully create the account. So I've added it. I think okay. Now let's go back home. So we've added a bank. Okay, you can see it is ticking it already. We've added a bank. Now the last thing we need to do, let me check the time, it's 9 minutes. The last thing we need to do is enter our tax information. We enter the tax information. Now remember, this tax information is also not a real one. It is formulated. So payment account name, okay, Google Play Books. So let's check everything. Account type, individual, everything is here. Phone number is here, United States tax info. Okay, so the phone number, let's add the phone number again. So remember, we have everything here. Let's copy it. So which one is this? Okay, you come here, copy it and add it. Add the phone number. Then which other information are we supposed to fill here? United States tax info. Okay. Now the tax information we are going to add. I want to carefully observe everything, because from time to time all these publishing platforms they change their account creation process. Right, so let's leave this side. Just put your phone number and let me click on save. Just put your phone number first. Yes, I don't know why this is slow. Let's come back to this side. This tax exemption number, exemption type, optional. Now let's put random, enter NA if you don't. Okay, NA, just enter NA here. I don't know why this is now slow. Alright, so after we click on save, you just wait for like 1 or 2 minutes and everything will come back. It will save and we have everything complete. We have it all completed. So as it is now, the next thing you will do is to start publishing your book. So we have successfully created a Google Play account without stress and without spending a dime. But don't forget, you are going to get a valid SSN. But even as it is, if you carefully follow every step I followed now, The only thing you are going to be getting is just a real bank. So as it is, I can publish and get my money out without stress. So the next thing, once you are done with this, you can see this one is ticked, the second one is ticked, and the third one is ticked. So the next thing, you just start adding your book, and that is all you need to do to create a successful Google Play account.